So you want to make money on YouTube, but you don't want to show your face. Well, this is possible, and to prove that to you, I'm gonna show you 22 YouTube niches you can make money with without filming any videos or show your face. YouTube is one of the best ways to start an online business. But when people think about YouTube, they think about getting behind the camera, filming videos, doing countless retakes, hours of editing, hoping that they're gonna get views. And then when they finally upload their video, they also have to deal with people hating on their videos. Luckily, there is a better way of doing YouTube, and this is with cash cow channels. Cash cow channels are YouTube channels where you don't need to show your face, but still you can make money with. An example of a cash cow channel is this channel, The Richest. It has, as you see, 15 million subscribers, but as you see, it didn't even once ever showed somebody his face. So this is a good cash cow channel example. My name is Florian, have at the moment 3 cash cow channels that are making money for me. Actually sold this week a channel for 15,000 euros, and this was a channel without even 10,000 subscribers. With the business model cash cow, aka YouTube automation, a lot of people struggle with finding the right niche. However, the niche is one of the most important things at cash cow. You can make very bad videos and still make a lot of money if you are in a good niche. Or you can upload super good videos, but if you're in a niche with a lot of competition, it's gonna be very hard for you to get views or to make money. So being in the right niche is very important, and the goal of this video is to give you inspiration finding a good niche and help you make money with cash cow. So let's start. Niche number 1, MMA. So this is a cash cow channel. It has only 8,000 subscribers, started 5 months ago, and as you see, it uploaded a lot of videos that did really well, that got a lot of views. Here it uploaded a video with 150k views, 500k views, 250k views, and here even it uploaded a video with 900k views. It is in a sport niche, so the amount of money you get per 1,000 views is not so much, but if only from this 900k video you would get, for example, $3 per 1,000 views, then only from this video alone, this channel made 900 x $3 is $2,700 only from this video, and that's insane. So the CPM, or the amount of money you get per 1,000 views, is not so much, but it is in a sport niche. So for example, when there is a new competition or there is a new fight, you can make a video about it, and it is really easy to get a lot of views. Niche number 2. Tech. So tech has a high CPM, and if you look at this channel, you see that 4 months ago this channel uploaded a video that did really well, 9 gadgets you must have. 6 months ago this channel also uploaded a video that did really well, 10 gadgets you must have. And here also 4 months ago this channel uploaded a video that did really well, 10 gadgets you must have. So you can surely start a similar channel, and then I would make a video like 10 incredible gadgets and inventions 2022 you must have, or something like 10 awesome tech gadgets 2022 you must have, or I will pop here some title IDs that you could make. Niche number 3, military vehicles. An amazing niche to start. So you make 8 to 10 minute long videos about tanks, fighter jets, drones, and as you see, these videos do really well. This video uploaded 1 month ago, 1.6 million views, and here another video uploaded 2 months ago, 2 million views. So for example, if you would get $5 per 1,000 views, then only from this video this channel made $10,000. Niche 4, horror. So horror goes really hard on YouTube. This channel is getting around 500,000 views every day, and that's insane. Horror is a good niche to start, but important to say, pick a niche that you like, because then working on your cash cow business is fun every day. Niche 5, horror story. So this niche works also really well. As you see, this channel is getting around 100 to 200,000 views every day. But again, only choose this niche if you like horror. Niche 6, football. This is one channel, not a very big channel, but doing really well. And here another football channel, but this channel is more focused on football moments, like top 25 most heroic moments, or top 40 most craziest free kicks, or here unforgettable goals in football. Niche 7, robots, high CPM. This is a small channel that is doing really good, and if we go to sort by and then we go to most popular, you see that it even uploaded a video with 1.6 million views, and so this video made a lot of money for this channel. 8, history, very interesting topic to make videos about. The CPM is good and it is really easy to find subjects for, because you can make videos about literally everything that ever happened. 9, another sport niche, basketball. This channel is killing it. As you see, it gets a lot of views for every video, 200,000, 200,000. A good niche to start in. 10, a lot of times we get the question about what can you make a cash cow channel about. Now, as you see guys, you can make a cash cow channel about literally everything you want. This is a channel about all kinds of interesting facts about ships and boats. Why do fast ships shake? Why is the bridge at the back? Is this the world's most dangerous wreck? And it is doing really well. Niche 11, luxury, high CPM, always a good niche. Niche 12, vehicles again, but instead of making videos about military vehicles, you make videos about all kinds of special vehicles, like the giant hovercraft, the nuclear passenger ship, or the fastest train ever built. Niche 13, affiliate marketing. So with cash cow there are multiple ways of making money. One of course is with YouTube ad revenue. Another way is by making videos about products and then putting an affiliate link underneath in the description, just like this channel does. As you see it here, it has all the affiliate links underneath in the description. This is a super cool project to do and it actually works. 14, gaming. Great niche to start if you like computers, tech or gaming parts. CPM is good. Niche 15, scary stories. It's like a horror stories channel, but they make different kind of videos. Here they make more videos like 3 true horror stories or 3 hostile horror stories, or here 5 Home Alone stories. And as you see, these videos all do really well. 1 million views, 1 million views, 1 million views. 16, Elon Musk. The CPM is good. There is a lot of competition in this niche, but as you see, this channel got only 60k subscribers and is doing really well. Niche 17, travel. So you can make a video like 10 amazing places to visit in Washington State, or 13 most incredible cities in the world, or you could make a video like 30 greatest man-made miracles of the world travel video. As you see, at every title I change at least one word, because if you change one word then you have a complete new title, and when you have a complete new title then you have more chance to go viral than if you would just copy one title. Niche 18, cars. If you like cars, great niche to start. Niche 19, psychology, good CPM, and it is very interesting to make videos about. 20, a classic one, top 10, and niche 21, also classic one, top 10, but here it is more like with incredible moments, incredible moment, incredible moments, incredible moments. It is the same kind of videos, but they just do it a little differently. And last but not least, niche number 22, history again, but this channel makes more videos about World War II, and this channel makes more videos about fighting, about combat. Guys, hope you have now more of an idea about what topic you can start a cash cow channel about. We have one bonus, because we always like to give extra value, and the bonus is an extra good niche. Aviation, good CPM. It's a channel about airplanes and helicopters, and as you see, it is doing really well. Mike X, loved your comment brother. Please contact me on Instagram and then we're gonna skyrocket your cash cow business. If you want to win the free next consulting call, like, subscribe and comment something really nice in the comments down below. And then I see you in the next.